Hi everyone, and welcome to Smashbox, where we look at the latest in gaming and tech trends. I have a very short little unboxing video for you today. The new iPhone 12 Pro has just rocked up, and I'm very excited to open it up and have a look. I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials and tips and tricks for the iPhone 12 in the upcoming days and weeks. So I just thought I'd give you a little look at, if you're thinking of purchasing one yourself, what you're going to get. This is the 128GB Graphite. So let's go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, it's a pretty small little box there. And let's have a look what is inside. Oh, look at that. That is very nice looking phone. We got the triple camera on the back there. I always like getting the dark, sleek phones there. So it looks like it has a screen cover on it there, and it looks like we have standard charging cable. Oh, hang on, that looks a bit different. That looks like it's USB-C on one end and lightning cable on the other. And I assume we're going to get the standard SIM pin right there. That's for inserting the SIM and the Apple sticker. Now let's have a look at the phone itself. Beautiful. So this is a major upgrade. You can see there's the camera, Logitech Brio up there. It's reflecting rather nicely. This is a very nice looking phone. It's got the nice shiny chrome along the edges there. See how it's almost like a mirror. And then on the back, obviously. So this is an upgrade. The previous model I had was the iPhone 8. So this is a fair bit bigger. I might just pause this video for a moment and grab my iPhone 8 so I can show you the difference in size between the two. This is my day-to-day phone that I've been using. So you can see right there, it's a fair bit bigger than the iPhone 8 and a little bit thicker. It's got more of a square design and not as rounded. The iPhone 8's quite rounded, but this is a bit more square. Let's power this thing up and see whether it came with any charge. There you go, it's switching on there. So I'm going to go and set this all up, and then I'm going to be making a bunch of tips and tricks and tutorials how to use the iPhone 12 and various things. So there you go, there's a nice little short unboxing video of the iPhone 12 Pro version. I'm going to have lots of fun checking out some of the new features like the LiDAR and the camera on the back. It's just saying hello there in all the languages. I'm going to go and set this all up and we'll be ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you check out all the other videos on our channel. Subscribe and like this video and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.